Hello friends, Sanjeev here, and today I'm here with a topic: convert PDF file into images using Python. So the first question that I need to ask you is: have you ever faced that you need to convert the PDF file into images? Like you got a certification in PDF format and you want to convert it to JPG or PNG. So what came in your mind, like to install an application or to use it online, right? So now in this video, we'll see how to convert your PDF file to a JPEG file using Python. So first of all, we'll see what are all the problem statements. So the problem statement here is either you need to install an application just to convert your PDF file into image, or you have to search different websites which can convert your PDF file to image. There are not much options for custom print in online websites. Like if you give them 30 pages of PDF, you will get 30 different images in a zip file. But let's say you want only the page number 5, page number 7, and page number 9, or only the first page, or only the last page. So those options you will not get it. And also you cannot trust online sites when you are downloading or uploading your files. So basically you cannot upload the file which is something personal. So basically there is a trust issue when there is an online website converting your PDF file to images. So what we can do? Well, we can use Python, and within 10 line of codes, you will be able to get your PDF file to images as per your customization. So what are all the prerequisites before I start write that code? Well, Python should be installed. Basically, Python 3 is preferred, and pip should be working. And you have to install a pdf2.image. So this is the module that we will use to convert PDF to image. But this module has some dependencies on PDF to PPM package, which requires poppler to be installed in your machine. So basically we will have all these four and then we'll write a code. Now without doing further delay, let's go to the code. So I am here in this terminal and I have already written a Python code for PDF to JPEG. You can see the code. Well, in case of any error, like once you run this script, you might need to install PDF to image. So I have given even an instruction in this code. So instead of writing anywhere, I wrote in the code itself, like you just type pip3 install PDF to image in your terminal. And as it requires poppler, so we will install that as well. So in Mac, it is very easy. Brew install poppler. If you are in Linux machine like Ubuntu or any Debian based, you can use sudo apt get install Python poppler. For Windows, you can follow this link, right? So once you have installed your pdf2.image module, you just have to write this line: from PDF to image import convert from path. Now this module is called in this script. So what's next? Now you need to pass one PDF file. So this line, I'm just writing for readability purpose. You can even skip this line. So you can directly come to this line, and there is a function. As you see, I have imported convert from path. So I'm calling this function convert from path, and I'm passing the file name, PDF file name. So either you can pass as a variable or you can directly pass this string. Even you can pass the absolute path as well. And there are many other parameters I'm not passing, I'm just going by default. And this line I'm writing just to remove this .pdf, so that when I will try to save this new file JPEG format, this will be the same name with JPEG. Okay, and your PDF may have one page, your PDF may have more than one page as well, right? So this script will work for single page or even n number of pages. So I'm using count variables because all pages should have a different name, like principle of secure coding hyphen 1 hyphen 2 hyphen 3 hyphen 4, right? So again, what I am doing is this image file name, which is nothing but I replaced this with blank. So this is the file name till here, principle of secure coding. So principle of secure coding hyphen and then the count. Well, if it is just a one page, it will be hyphen 1. If it is second page, third page, then it will be 2, 3, 4, and then dot JPEG extension. So now the last line is doing the magic here is whatever page you got, right? So it is saving it as a JPEG format. So this was the very basic explanation about the code. Now let's go to the terminal and I will try to run that script python 3 pdf.jpg. So make sure like whatever the PDF file you are giving is either in the right path or you can have it in the same place where your script is. So now I'm running the script ran, and then let's check. I have a file called principle of secure coding.pdf. Now I need to see there should be two files, right? So you see this file is older one, like almost a year back, and this file I created just now, 5th October 11:40. Principle of secure coding, as you saw, I removed .pdf in my program and then hyphen and the count. So as there is only one page in this PDF, so it is just having hyphen 1. If you have around 30 pages, you can even have all those different 30 pages as a JPEG file. Mostly we use this program to convert your let's say like some PDF file is there of single page specifically, like it's a certification or it's a birth certificate or it's your BTech degree certification. So any other certification which you have in a PDF format, you want to change into the JPEG format. We have already ran the program and it successfully captured that image as well. Now we'll open that JPEG file. What it is saying is this is not there. Okay, because I had hyphen 1. Now you see, this is my JPEG file from the PDF. So if you have any questions, suggestions, or any improvement in this script, please write that in comment, and don't forget to like and share this video, and please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching, guys.